This is a classic example of ex post rationalization, trying to find in a difficult situation. And I'm a Hegelian again in that way. I think when people tell that story, biblically, who were here once, it's because it's where they do recognize they've got a problem. They were put there, and the Palestinians were kicked out. And the British said, go ahead and do this, who had no authority or right to do it. So the British and the Zionists got together, did this thing at the expense of the Palestinians. Everybody knows that. And you can tell whatever story. That's what happened. And I think that the Israelis, I want to give them credit, even if they don't want it. I think they know that. And I think they're needy of it. Just like the Trump supporters, there's an empathy I have for them. They're suffering. Who wants to go backwards? They know somewhere. What are you talking? Backward? You really want to be like your grandpa? You don't. You want to go back, but you don't really. You don't want to go back very far. And they know. They're not stupid. Not at all. So what this is a little compromise people make with themselves that a clever politician or an instinctual one can play on.